It's Saturday, 1st of October 2016. I'm John Matta at Castello Vicchiomaggio, Greve in Chianti. Today's the 6th day of our harvest and we are picking the last of the Merlot, which is destined for our FSM and Ripa delle More. As you can see, it's another nice warm day, sunny and warm. Temperatures again at 25 degrees centigrade, although it is clouding over just a little bit. The weather so far has been perfect. The quality of the grapes harvested exceptional, so we're looking forward to a really good wine from the 2016 vintage. Thank you for watching.